Assalamualaikum. Hope you guys doing great. If you are new here, consider to subscribe to my channel Links Off. Today I am going to show you guys an unboxing of a condenser microphone set for podcast and your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Little bit overview of condenser microphone here. It is always used for studio recordings as well as for voice vocals. It produces consistent sound and they have a louder output as compared to other microphones as well. They have louder output and a consistent sound as well. They have much greater frequency response and transient response as well. So that is the little bit overview of condenser microphone. Now comes to its main features. They have much greater frequency, no driver installation. You not need to have any driver CD or driver to install. No driver installation, no debugging required to use this microphone. It has a built-in excellent reverb chips and real hardware reverb. It is powered by USB, the USB power supply, so no mixer, voice and other auxiliary equipment is you not need to worry about that. It is smaller and lightweight. It won't take much space as well, and it has a very beautiful design for comfortable handling. When we talk about its specs, so you will get USB DC 5V power supply. It has a model of MKF100TL. It has a tripod stand and signal to noise ratio is around 70 dB, and frequency response is 30 Hz to 20 kHz in range. You get box content. When we talk about some box content, you will get microphone, tripod chip, microphone chip, USB cable, audio line, plug-in cable and anti-wind cap as well. And last, don't forget to subscribe my channel Links Off. Hope to see you guys in next one. Peace out.
You should take it slow.